Thank you, Chairman. To the family of Honorable Ong'ondo, Sir Charles, to the father and to the congregants, God is good all the time. Nataka kuchukua fursa hii kuomboleza na familia wa kiongozi wetu wa mbunge wa Kasipul na familia kwa ujumla wa parliament kwa kupoteza rafiki ambaye alikuwa rafiki yangu sana kwa dhati, mimi mwenyewe kama kiongozi huko bunge. Nimefanya kazi na Mheshimiwa Ong'ondo kwa karibu sana. Kwa wale ambao wanajua, kama minority leader alikuwa mshauri wangu wa karibu sana. Tulikuwa tunashirikiana kwa njia ambaye Gladys Wanga anafahamu, na Ivo Bara na Rosa Buyu. Alikuwa mtu ambaye tunashirikiana kwa karibu sana. The other thing is that I want to ask the people who are dealing with this matter, the investigative agencies, to expedite this matter. And we are not saying that because he's a member of parliament. He's a Kenyan, he is a husband, he's a father, and he is a leader who had the aspirations and the mandate of over 100,000 people. So all those people he was leading will want to know why their member of parliament was killed. So I would like to ask the investigative agencies to expedite this matter so that the family can come to terms with what happened to their father. But lastly, Father, with your indulgence, I want to ask people who celebrate the death of a leader, please to stop it. Politicians also are fathers, they are husbands, they have children, they have families. And if you have a problem with a politician, wait for the election and deal with him. Don't celebrate when he has a problem. We have seen times and again people celebrating on social media that a leader has died. Even you who celebrating, one day you will die. And you will not want anybody to celebrate your death. So please respect the families of politicians. They are also human beings. And let's accord them the necessary support they need at the time, especially when they are grieving, when they have lost a father and when they have lost a kin. That's my plea to Kenyans who have been celebrating. And let's not associate people with things you cannot substantiate. With those few remarks, I would like to say condolences to the family, and may God and the Lord stand with the family at this trying moment. Thank you very much.